How to fix your account has been locked Microsoft error. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Method 1. Unlock your account with a security code. If you see the next button in the error prompt, click on it. Enter your phone number capable of receiving text message and click Send code. You will receive a security code via text. Enter the code in the appropriate field and click Submit to unlock your account. Method 2. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Office. If you previously had a work or a school Office 365, you can uninstall Microsoft Office completely from your device. For that, click on search icon at bottom left. Search for Microsoft 365 and after that you need to simply right click on Microsoft 365 and then click on uninstall button and again reinstall Microsoft 365 on your device. This should remove residual account data and fix the issue. If the error occurs while signing into Microsoft Azure or 365, contact the global admin of your organization. Request them to reset your password or update your sign-in status. If you are the admin, reach out to the Azure Data Protection team for assistance. Alternatively, use service password reset to unlock your account. And that's how you can successfully fix the issues on your device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.